So I just purchased some goats. There are two males and the white one is female, and these two brown ones are male. And they just came here from the market, and this one is eating Sesbania, and he is actually loving it. ना खाओ So I purchased these three goat kids, and they are very naughty. I just pulled them outside in this water canal. There was a lot of grass here and still is, so I thought they might enjoy some thing of their own preference. And our Sesbania is still so this is our Sesbania. As you can see, it's growing nicely, and today I was trying to irrigate this complete field over there, and the water only reached until this field, and I opened this plot up, and the clouds came over. So our solar panels stopped producing electricity. Not completely irrigate. I will irrigate them tomorrow. So now I have to also spread urea fertilizer over here. So these are our solar panels we use for irrigation purpose, and the electricity goes here into our 3-phase motor over there, and it gives us water so we can irrigate our field. So these are getting dirty, and I will clean out with this brush. You may wonder that why I don't use water, and the reason is that in our area the water contains lots of salts. After we throw water, they look absolutely clean, but when the water evaporates, it leaves behind a layer of salt on the surface of the panel, which does not look good, and it also uh, is not removable easily. So to avoid that salt, we use this brush to just scrape off some of the dirt. So at the moment our electric solar pump is running, and we are irrigating this field of Sesbania. The previous day we irrigated the plot behind this one, which is irrigating currently, and then the clouds came over and the solar pump stopped. So now the second plot is almost full, so I will open up this bund over here. I don't have tripod, so I will just show you how I will do that. So this is our agriculture tool. I will just pull out some mud from this side and put it here, so this channel will open and the water will flow over into this field, and then I will close the next one which is full. So I just opened up this mud bund over here, and the water is flowing into our last plot of Sesbania, and the plot here which has standing water, because we use flood irrigation. After it soaks all the water, and only after this plot soaks all the water, then I will spread urea fertilizer for nitrogen, so it grows better, because I want it to grow very fast. And then I have to, because I have to sow the rice crop over here, so I have to be quick over here. So I have to quickly raise this Hispania crop either for green manuring or to sell as a green fodder, so I can timely sow the next rice crop over here. It is a legume, so it also adds nitrogen into our soil and also increases organic matter if we rotate it into our field. This is our urea fertilizer. It contains 46% nitrogen. This is a prilled urea which we are applying to our Sesbania. So now I will pour it into my shoulder bag over here and then go and spread it out on the field of Sesbania. So all of the water is seeped into the soil. So now it's perfect time for urea application, because it will not reach below the root zone as much as it will with standing water over here. These are our goats, little kids, and she is tied off with this spoke into ground wooden stake, so she does not run away, because if she runs away, all of them, they just kept running and don't eat. So if she is bound here, then they will stay also here.
जिया कसम उनसे हट चुप करे, ठीक है।
चल, दिसलं पण ते